Thousands of Central Texans saw the Temple Police Department's Facebook post over the missing child last night. Others heard about it from an emergency alert that pinged on their phones. The alert told them check local media reports for more information, even though no press release was sent over to 6 News or any other media outlet. Megan Price, the City of Temple Public Relations Coordinator, confirmed this was a typo from the city and the alert should have read social media. According to Price, an emergency alert was issued because an Amber Alert has to meet certain criteria. She says Amber Alerts have to do with abductions and kidnappings. With the information Temple Police had for this alert, an emergency alert was sent out because the verified information needed to be an Amber Alert wasn't there.
Temple PD made a determination that a local alert provided was the best avenue, but the child was also considered a high-risk juvenile because he was under the age of 13, and also for this particular incident, weather, with it being 100+ degrees outside, that also played a big role in issuing this alert.
Now, the City of Temple says the ultimate goal for alerts is to find the missing person or child safely, and they did just that. Temple Police searched for the child on foot with drones and canines and went door to door. People on social media were also wondering why this didn't trigger something called an Athena alert, a bill signed into law just this year. We'll explain exactly what that is and why it wasn't used coming up tonight after the game, Lindsay.
Yeah, a lot of people had questions, including us, when our alerts went off last night. Thanks so much, Sydney.